What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are in week 6 of the franchise 5-0. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but we will be playing the 2-3 Bengals. They're probably going to be a tough team, but yeah, let's get into it. We're going to be away for this game, so hopefully they don't boo us out of the arena. Okay, here we go. There's our rookie quarterback, Chad Stevenson. There's Joe Burrow, Joe Shiesty. Here we go. They're going to be kicking off to us. Here we go, week 6. Rookie Northcutt takes it. Trick play off to Jerry Jeudy. Up to the 32-yard line. Chad Stevenson coming out. We're going to do a little inside run with Nick Chubb. Here we go. And only 1 yard. Oh, good job, Nick Chubb. Okay, here we go. We're going to go cross wide trail. DeAndre Hopkins and our rookie quarterback misses him. 3rd down and 9. Okay, here we go. Play action. 3rd and 9. Play action. Caught by Jerry Jeudy, 1st down. 42-yard gain. We're just going to throw it again to Jerry Jeudy. He's on a roll already. Never mind. Stevenson for 8 yards. Let's go. Wait, let's switch this to a zone split. 1st down, Nick Chubb. Guess we're just going to run it back. Oh, there it is. HB inside zone. To the left. 1st and 10. Go, Chubb. Almost there. 2nd down and 1. 1st down, Nick Chubb. Just going to keep pushing Nick Chubb across that line. Almost there, but the blocks weren't that good. 2nd down and goal. Terrible blocking again. Didn't know what's coming, so I'm just going to go, like, shallow cross. 3rd down and goal. And terrible blocking. I couldn't even run around. 4th down and goal at the 2-yard line. They're telling me to go for it. I want to go for it, but I kind of don't. But I'm going to go for it. HB dive. Come on, Nick Chubb. Come on. 4th and goal. Touchdown, Nick Chubb. 6-0. Cleveland Browns. Career touchdown number 75 for Nick Chubb. $7-0 Browns. Hey, their defense looked pretty good, so we might be in some trouble here. Maybe our first challenge. Pinion on to kick it away. Bradley Pinion. As the commentator said, good effort on the return. 30 up the Bengals up to the 33-yard line. Joe Burrow, and he's sacked. He tried throwing it. He couldn't throw it. The Cleveland Browns get to him. Some of our defensive players getting in there for the sack. 2nd down and 17. And we got to him again. Sacked by Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. 3rd down and 26. Our defense is playing really good in this game against, like, the top offense. Maybe not. Okay, we stopped him. 4th down and 7. Going into the second quarter, we'll be getting the ball back with a punt. 7-0. They'll be punting 4th and 7 on their 37-yard line. We'll probably start at like the 2-yard line. The Bengals are punting the ball. Oh, here we go. Oh, thought we could have gotten that. Up to the 20-yard line. We'll be starting. Let's go Elijah Moore. Why not? On a little play action. Second quarter. Elijah Moore wide open. Go, Elijah Moore, go. 30-yard gain for Elijah Moore. Probably just going to run it with Nick Chubb now. 1st down and 10. Nobody blocked number 27. No gain. I don't know what they want me to do when they have no blockers blocking anybody. Jerry Jeudy's wide open, and it's incomplete. I didn't see Cam Taylor-Britt there. 3rd down and 10. It's not looking too good here. 3rd down and 10. Oh my gosh, D-Hop was wide open. But he gets destroyed on that play. But 3rd down and 10, and he gets it. 28 yards for D-Hop. 1st down and 10. And Nick Chubb wide open, and he drops it. Coverage a little too good there. I don't think there was any coverage. He just straight up dropped. 2nd down and 10. And Dawson Knox bumps into the guy, and I threw it too early. 3rd down and 10. Shallow cross. 3rd down and 10. We might have to take a field goal here unless Jerry Jeudy can lock in here. And he will not. 4th down and 6. We had to take it and run it because Jerry Jeudy wasn't open. We'll just take the field goal, get some points on the board. 10-0 game. 10-0. We're kicking off to the Bengals. Our defense, like, played really good their first drive, so hopefully we can keep that up. Oh my gosh. Boomstick. I don't even know who that was. And Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah picks it up. Let's check that replay real quick. I didn't even know what happened there. The Bengals player takes it. And then, boom, number 42. I don't even know who that is. And then Jeremiah picks it up. So we get a second chance here. Hopefully we can score a touchdown and be up by like 50 points. Ugh. Scrambled again for only a 4-yard gain. Nick Chubb here. Just going to send it into the 2-minute warning. Only 1 yard on that play. 3rd down and 5. 10-0. Nothing. 3rd down and 5. Nothing's open. D-Hop. That was a forced throw. I didn't know what to do. Incomplete. 4th down and 5. Just going to take an easy field goal. Again. 13-0. The Bengals get the ball back with 1:53 left. I think the Bengals fans are a little mad that we're beating them 13-0 right now. In the bottom of the screen, Chiefs beat the Texans 38-27. Another hit stick and picked up by Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe we're just that good. But I really like this offense and defense right now. Truck almost got there. 2nd and inches. Pickup of 10 yards for Jerry Jeudy. 2nd and inches. And Trey Hendrickson literally pushed our O-lineman out of the way right away. And it's 3rd and 2. Let's go under. Elijah Moore, hopefully. And a player bump. But we still got it. Oh, better call a timeout. 35 seconds left in the first half. Gonna do another shallow cross, hopefully for a touchdown. Should have just run it. It's on the 3-yard line. I'm about to have another Seahawks moment here. Touchdown, Jerry Jeudy. What a throw by our quarterback off the back of his side. Jerry Jeudy with the first passing touchdown of the game. 6th touchdown of the season. Watch this. Trey Hendrickson almost gets to and almost picked off. What a play. 20-0 now. Again, thought I would get a little bit of a challenge here, but it's not looking like they want to do that. 20-0, 29 seconds left for the Bengals to possibly get some points on the board. Or I could just hit stick him again and get the ball back. Nope. We didn't do that. Joe Burrow comes out for their second drive because we had 2 fumbles on the kick return. T. Higgins first down. First down and 10. Wide open Jamar Chase. And Denzel Ward causes a fumble, and I couldn't pick it back up. 12 seconds left. Joe Burrow with X Factor. Come on, defense. 1st and 10. Jeremiah, big tackle. 2nd down and 7. They're going for the field goal here. I would just take a shot. There's still 9 seconds left, but whatever. Dumb AI. And it's blocked. It's blocked. It's blocked by our defense. And the clock just ran out because they have no timeouts. 20-0. Kevin Stefanski running a great season here. $20-0. Quarter number 3, we're kicking off to him. Big tackle by number 57. They're up to the 26-yard line. 1st down and 10. Joe Burrow still has his X factor. And we got that locked down. Then Jimmy Ward with the tackle for loss. They thought they could do something there. Right there, pass, and then Jimmy Ward comes in with a big tackle for loss. Joe Burrow, 2nd down and 16, trying to make this something else. Hall Jr. comes in with the sack, and Joe Burrow loses the football, and it's picked up by the Cleveland Browns. Baron Browning picks it up. The Cincinnati crowd booing us out of the building. Here we go. Play action. Nothing's open. Ledgermore. There we go. Oh my gosh. Intercepted by DJ Turner II. That was a nice pick. I'm not going to lie. I should have just thrown the ball away or something. But he was wide open there, but the ball took too long. And then right there, just... ugh. So close. Joe Burrow comes out again. Lost his X factor because Hall Jr. came in with the fumble and the sack. Yeah, I think the game's over too. Oh, crap. Maybe it's not over. Well... after the fumble and the interception, they score on a one-play drive to Jermaine Burton. I don't even know who that is. There was like 10 people there to tackle him. Look at that. 2 people. Well, 20-7. Hopefully Stevenson doesn't throw another pick. 20-7. One play, 80 yards, 10 seconds off the clock. Here we go. Turn up the middle. Up to the 25-yard line. Let's go D-hop. No, wait. Let's switch it to a run here. Jaylen Warren. Jaylen Warren up to 7 yards, and our tight end is hurt. Dawson Knox is now on the bench now, throwing his helmet down. That's great. And now Taysom Hill is the starting tight end. Yep, now we have Taysom Hill instead of Dawson Knox at tight end. That's always great. Jerry Jeudy wide open, but the pass was way too slow. 3rd and 3. This is not looking good. I'm just going to run it, see if we can get some yards here. All of a sudden, this Bengals defense and offense has come out of nowhere. And yep, and terrible blocks from our defense. We're just going to punt. It's 4th down and 5. Bruised elbow will return soon. I want to keep him in, but like just in case, I'm just going to put Taysom Hill in. And almost a missed tackle by that guy right there. Joe Burrow comes out. Silver shoot pinch. Oh my God. Gesicki with like a 30-yard pass down the field. Now all of a sudden our defense is playing terrible. 1st down at the 40. Jimmy Ward gets there. 9-yard gain for Burton. 2nd down and 1. Second down and 1. First down. Literally no one was covering T. Higgins or Burton there. I don't know why, but there wasn't anybody there. First down and 10. Another first down the field. Denzel Ward with the tackle on T. Higgins. 1 minute and 15 seconds left in the third quarter. Nope, Jamar Chase was so close to that touchdown, but our defense stops him at the 1 yard line. First and goal at the 1 yard line. They're probably just going to run it in. Unless they want to do a Russell Wilson Seahawks. And they do a read option with Joe Burrow. And it's offsides on the defense. Grant Delpit, it's no yards because it's freaking on the 1 yard line. But here we go. First and goal at the 1 yard line. And it's a touchdown. Chase Brown barely gets it in. 14-20. This is not looking good. We had a great start in the first half, but the second half we're just not doing very good. McManus to kick it away. Watts up to the 26 yard line. I don't know who that is either. He must be like some random like practice squad player I signed. Yeah, pretty important drive for the Cleveland Browns here. Hey, go Dawson Knox, go! Go Dawson Knox! Holy crap. What a play. We're probably going to end the third quarter like that. 20-14. Dawson Knox with a heck of a catch there. And of course they showed the interception that we throw. Of course. $20-14. And again, our O-line can't block their terrible defense. And it's second down and 12 because Nick Chubb is old and slow and our O-line can't block. Second down and 12. Jerry Jeudy's so wide open down the field. Touchdown, Jerry Jeudy. Touchdown, Jerry Jeudy. Second touchdown of the game. 7th of the year. What a play by Jerry Jeudy and our quarterback, Chad Stevenson. Now 2-point attempt. Oh no. Chad Stevenson. Holy crap, what a play there. What a play. I thought he was definitely going to get sacked there. But instead, Jerry Jeudy gets a 2-point conversion. 28-14. We're back in this, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get to him. Up to the 27-yard line. Joe Burrow coming back out. He's had a heck of a second half here. 2 touchdowns. Well, 1 touchdown. 1 touchdown in the first half. What was that lob? Come on, guys. Gonna go on Myles Garrett. He hasn't really done anything in this game. And another lob. Like, come on, defense. Get to the receiver. Get to the quarterback. Do something. First and 10 again. 28-14. Joe Burrow's back with his X Factor. Denzel Ward should have picked that off, but he didn't. First down and 10. No huddle. Great job by Jimmy Ward there covering Ja'Marr Chase. First down and 10 again. Come on, defense. Oh my gosh, that should have been picked off. Who was that? I'm sorry. I might be like a instant replay alcoholic. But like, that should have been picked off. Who was that? Jordan Poyer. Come on, man. That, like, you literally just, like, threw his hands away. That was an easy pick. Second down and 10. Come on, defense. And wide open, Mike Gesicki from 13 yards out, 28 to 20, well, 21 because of the extra point. 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. Hopefully we can score before the 2-minute warning. 28-21. Here we go. This is like the most important drive of the game. I'm just going to run it with Nick Chubb, try to run this clock out. Although our O-line can literally not block at all. There we go, O-line. There we go. Finally. First down and 10, Nick Chubb. And there we go. There's our old O-line back. No blocking for Nick Chubb on that play. Oh no, Trey Hendrickson breaks through the line again. Third down and 11. We're going to have to pass here. We can't just run it and then them waste a timeout. We need, or do we? I kind of do, but but we could throw a pick. I'm just going to be safe. Run the ball. I don't want to do this, but, oh wait, maybe I do want to do this. Maybe I do. Oh, 4th down and 2. I can't go for it. Can we kick a field? 68 yards. Yeah, there's no way. Oh my God. They can make the biggest comeback ever. They were down 27. Our defense was playing great. Our offense was playing great. And now we're punting to them with them having 3 timeouts and 1 minute 49 seconds left. Joe Burrow, like, and it's like the best offense in the league. So, besides us, but not anymore. Oh my gosh, what a play by Jimmy Ward there. That would have definitely been complete and probably for like a 30-yard gain because no one can defend. Second down and 10. Hopefully we can get Joe Burrow's X Factor away because with that X Factor, he's probably going to explode. Come on, defense, get... Oh, crap. Oh my God, he caught it. He caught it. There's no way he just caught that. Double coverage. Ja'Marr Chase leaps over both of our defenders and literally head taps them both. Come on. Oh, that was a bad voice crack there. Said, come on. First down and 10. Joe Burrow. Ja'Marr Chase with a great connection there. Jimmy Ward just completely misses Mike Gesicki. Out of bounds. 28-21. Minute 33 seconds left. But we still have time to score too. If they score here, so. Oh my gosh. So close to the first down for Ja'Marr Chase. Second down and 1. Should have maybe called a timeout there so that way we have more time. Ja'Marr Chase catches it. They're not going to call a timeout? Really? I thought they were definitely going to call a timeout there. 28 seconds left. 27. Mike Gesicki, get him down. 20 seconds left in the fourth quarter. I thought I was just going to run no huddle and then was going to run the clock out, but they finally called a timeout. Probably because they're trying to save. And wide open on a slant. Mike Gesicki, touchdown, all tied up in the fourth quarter with 17 seconds left, and they're going for two. They're going for two. This is game right here. 28-27, this is game. 2-point conversion. Oh my God. They just got it. 29-28 with 17 seconds left. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nope. Ah, dang it. I tried getting up to the 30-yard line. Up at the 24, 14 seconds left with one timeout. 2 timeouts remaining, sorry. 14 seconds left. This is it right here. Dawson Knox. First down. Timeout. 8 seconds left. 8 seconds left. How far are we from a field goal? 70 yards. I'm not going to do shot to save the clock. I can't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jerry Jeudy. Oh, big hit. Second down and 2. How far is the field goal now? 62. Do we take it? Do we take the 62-yard field goal, or do we try to score here? I don't know if Younghoe Koo can make a 62-yard field goal. I'm just telling you that. And they're going to try to ice the kicker. I'm going for the Hail Mary. Come on, offense. Here we go. Dawson Knox. Dawson Knox. Oh, my God. It's picked off. Dawson Knox was wide open down the field. And Chad Stevenson just threw it too short. I can't believe that we fumbled that game. I can't believe that we fumbled that game. 29-28. They got the 2-point conversion. Oh, my God. We should have won that game. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Now everyone down in the comments is probably going to be like, oh, you're the worst player ever. Well, I probably am. Because we should have definitely won that game. And instead we didn't. So, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Next week we'll be playing the Tennessee Titans. Hopefully we won't lose to a comeback win for them. So, thank you guys for watching. And tune in tomorrow or whenever for the next part. Thank you.